So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website of Gigabyte, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. So after that you can see this is right hand side search button. Just click on that. Then enter the model number of your the motherboard B760 DS3H AC. Then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard. Then click on support. So guys, select your operating system Windows 10 and 11 Windows 10 and 11 operating system installations process same. Select any, so no worry about that. Then Bluetooth, extract and click to download the Bluetooth driver. It will start downloading. Then it is downloaded. Just open it and double click to launch. Then click yes. Now this is extracting. So this is installing the Bluetooth driver. So it is done means it is automatically close and then close it.